good morning, class. So, we're now going to discuss the last topic of our unit, which is the guidelines for successful business intelligence. Okay, so the first step here is to establish BI vision and evangelize it. So, this is actually determining the overall role that the business intelligence will play in driving business strategy, which drives the base vision technology state and configuration. Now, determine the vision and key business drivers, which drives the scope, meaning the business unit's breadth or the data subject areas. So this is also determining the business initiatives which will drive the application and knowledge assets required. So that's actually the first step. Now, the second step is to develop a business intelligence roadmap to prioritize business intelligence initiatives. So we have to prioritize business initiatives by return on investment, strategic values, and ease of execution. Now, overlay the cost saving from data mart consolidation and centralization, and develop a roadmap for integration with minimum cost, which is funded through centralization benefits and maximum benefits generation through enabling business initiatives. Now, the third step is to establish a BI governance and funding process. So, we have to establish a governance structures, executives, data governance boards, and teams. So, establish business intelligence communities and support structures. Now, business sponsors need to secure initial funding to launch the project. So, more important, they need to sustain funding over the life of the BI portfolio and allocate funds and build and maintain an enterprise BI infrastructure. The fourth step is to establish BI Competency Center or the BICC. So the enterprise-wide data warehouse creates a need for new skills in data analysis. Thus, a BICC is a central pool of skilled resources and specialists which can be shared by all business units. The BCC acts as a champion driving the enterprise data warehouse or the EDW initiatives and awareness. The BICC is a full-time team dedicated to data warehousing or data warehouse and develop full knowledge and expertise in data analysis techniques and model. The fifth step is aligning business and IT for long haul. So, extraordinary successful BI projects all have an enterprise scope that took years to implement. The journey requires by a close-knit team of developers and business people who work hand in hand to deliver actionable information to the users who need it. And lastly, ensure alignment between the business and technical development teams by use joint application development sessions to bring the two groups together to gain a common understanding. The sixth step is measure and track return on investment or the benefits from the business intelligence. So BI is a journey and not a short-term project. Many times organizations lose sight and confidence of the original objective. The way to overcome this is to start small and expand with this baseline. At the same time, make conscious effort to measure and track your return on investment or the benefits that are derived from the BI, both tangible and intangible benefits. The last step is to build trust in the system. So there are very few ways to directly increase the credibility of a system, but hundreds of ways to undermine it. So the only way to build trust in a new business solution is to have business team own the solution and make all decisions within predetermined technical boundaries such as the design, data model, sourcing, and validation. So business sponsors need to make sure that in their eagerness to build the BA solution, they don't set arbitrary deadlines. And the technical team needs to provide a bulletproof technical environment that adapts rapidly to changes in business requirements. So those are the guidelines for a successful business intelligence. Okay? To end, in short, BI can help us become more intelligent about the way we do businesses. So smart companies in the 21st century use business intelligence solution to gain a clearer picture of their internal operations, customers, supply chains, and financial performance. They also derive significant ROI by using BI to devise better tactics, and plans, respond more effectively to emergencies, and capitalize more quickly on new opportunities. In short, they are using BI to become intelligent about the way they do business. So that is all about our business intelligence. So for our references, if you want to learn more about business intelligence, there are a lot of information in the Google and in YouTube. So that is the end of our unit 1. If you have questions, feel free to message in our group chat and I will answer as soon as I see your messages. So God bless and stay safe.